Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Bagus Sabansa, NPM 22411135. In this video, I will to express presenting material about understanding the mechanism of calculation of paying PPh pasal 25. What is PPh pasal 25? PPh pasal 25 presents monthly income tax installment requirement under Article 25 of Indonesia Income Tax Law. The system applies to both corporate and individual taxpayers as prepayment toward their annual income tax liability, rather than facing a large lump sum payment at year-end. Taxpayers spread their tax obligation across 12 monthly installments throughout the fiscal year. Okay, legal basis and purpose. Legal framework. PPh Pasal 25 give governed by law number 71983 concerning income tax with significant update introduced by law number 7 2025 of tax on tax harmonization. This modern legalization strengthened that legal foundation and clarified requirement for all taxpayers. Monthly installment reduces the risk of the overwhelming lump sum payment at year-end. That system ensures steady, predictable government revenue while enabling taxpayers to manage their cash flow more effectively. This balance approach benefits both the state's treasury and individual financial planning. Okay, next, how is PPh Pasal 25 calculation? The calculation of PPh Pasal 5 follow a straightforward formula that ensures monthly installment requirement reflect prior tax obligation while accounting for tax credit receivable throughout the previous year. Core formula: monthly installment provider year tax liability mean tax credit per 25 12 month. Understanding tax credit deducted from your calculation include withholding tax under Article 21, 22, 23, and 24. Payment procedure and deadline. Timely and accurate payment is essential for maintaining tax compliance and avoiding penalties. Indonesia's digital tax system stemmed the payment process to centralized billing infrastructure. Payment deadline. PPh Pasal 5 must be paid by the 15th of each month following the tax profit period. This consistent deadline allows taxpayers to plan their cash flow predictably. A billing system. A payment are processed through Indonesian billing system to government's centralized electronic tax payment platform, ensuring recur and traceable transaction. Tax codes requirement 411125 to individual and 411129 for corporate taxpayer. Using the correct code ensures proper credit to your tax account. Connect adjustment and special case. Tax authorities recognize recognize that business circumstances throughout the years. The system include provision for adjusting monthly installment when taxpayers experience significant change in their financial situation. Standard adjustment rules: if your annual tax return is not yet filed, continue paying the last installment from the previous year until your return is submit and processed. Requiring installment reducement if your project tax liability fall below 75% of the previous year's tax. This requirement document justification the tax authority. DJB, Director General of the Tax, may regulate installment if you have filed late, experienced irregular income, and undergone business regulation or changed your financial situation substantially. Risk of recurrent calculator of late payment. Accurate and timely PPh Pasal 25 payment directly impact your tax compliance record. Understanding the consequences of errors help you prioritize proper tax payment. Underpayment consequences: interest, penalties, assessment on unpaid amount, potential tax audit examining your financial record, administrative penalties ranging from 2% to 50% of tax deficiency, reputation damage affecting business relationship, possible legal action in reverse case of not complaints. Overpayment outcome: excess payment revenue after annual tax return recognition, credit carried forward to offset next year installment, interest accrued on refund amount in delay occur, and additional penalties. Overpayment demonstrates good faith complaints, improve tax account standing for future transaction. Summary and best practice. Successful PPh Pasal 5 management requires system planning, accurate calculation, and discipline action for this essential practice of ensure compliance and optimize your tax position. And then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.